Hello, Dr. Cisse covering anatomy and physiology. Today I'll be presenting about the brain. This is the human brain model. Here you can see the brain itself is divided into three parts. The cerebrum here, this one here, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum, cerebellum, the brainstem. The cerebrum is divided into lobes. The frontal lobe, the parietal lobes, the temporal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the lobe inside called the ansal lobe. This one, the ansal inside here. Okay? Now, how do you know which lobe is which one? If you hold the brain like this is called the rostral, the front, caudal, the back. So the cerebellum is going to be on the caudal on the back side. Each lobe will be specific for some type of information. The basic idea is that the lobes in the front will be motor. The one on the back will be sensory. Usually they feel things. You can see that the brain is not uniform. It has bumps and grooves. The bumps are called gyri. One gyrus, many gyri. And the grooves are called sulci. One sulcus, many sulci. So we got gyrus and sulcus on the brain. You have the gyri and sulcus on the cerebellum itself, on the cerebrum and the cerebellum. If I go inside the brain, you can see that the brain stem is also divided into pieces. The very top here is the diencephalon. The diencephalon. The second one here is called the midbrain. Midbrain. Then this area is called the pons. Pons. And then the last one, the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. At the bottom, you're gonna have the spinal cord here. Here you see the cerebellum. It looks like a tree here. This is called the arbor vitae. Here, the tree. And then inside, you can see this line here, the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum, made of fibers connecting the left and the right hemisphere. So the brain hemisphere will be half of the brain. So basically, you have the cerebrum, cerebellum, the brainstem, the gyrus, and the sulci. The line that divides the brain into left and right here is called the longitudinal fissure. The longitudinal fissure. All right? I think that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in class.